Sitaram, Ramayanam way of paintings, Painting 83, Sage Agasthyar. Rama with Sita and Lakshmana crossed several peaks, rivers, and lakes. They came across a lake from which divine music was heard. Rama inquired about it, and a sage narrated the episode of Sage Mandakarni. After a while, they reached the numerous ashrams. Rama was welcomed by the rishis there. Rama spent happy days in the company of the rishis. 10 years had passed by. He returned to Sutishna's ashram again and spent some time there. One day, he inquired the sage about Sage Agastya, and he directed Rama to see Agastya's brother first. They were very happy to start their journey. As they travelled, the view on the way was picturesque. On the way, Rama was narrating about Agastya. They reached Agastya's brother's ashram and spent a night there. After taking leave of him, they reached Agastya's ashram. Rama sent Lakshmana first to announce their arrival. Hearing about Rama's arrival, Agastya was very eager to meet Rama and asked his disciples to bring them immediately. Now a small note about sage Mandakarni. This sage practiced tapas for 10,000 years. Worried by that, all the gods sent 5 apsaras to disturb his tapas, and they married that sage. So his tapas was broken. For them, he built a house inside the lake, and they were making the sage happy with their singing. The lake was known as 5 Apsaras Lake. Rama with Sita, followed by Lakshmana, walked in and saw the many shrines built for the different gods. Rama was very happy to see the sage Agastya and prostrated before him. Agastya too was very happy to have Rama with him. He blessed Rama and gave all the astras, Vishnu Dhanus, and 2 quivers which were